Unlocking the magic of compound interest. How your money grows over time. Have you ever wondered how compound interest works and how it can benefit you financially? Compound interest is the interest that is calculated not only on the initial amount of money but also on the accumulated interest over time. This means that your money can grow at an accelerated rate, thanks to compounding. Let's take an example to illustrate this. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a 5% annual interest rate. In the first year, you will earn $50 in interest, bringing your total to $1,050. During the second year, you will earn interest not only on your initial $1,000 but also on the $50 you earned in the first year. Assuming the same 5% interest rate, you will earn $52.50, totaling $1,102.50 at the end of the second year. As you can see, your money is working for you and growing in the process. The longer you leave the money invested, the more it will compound and grow. This is why it's important to start investing early and give your money time to grow. Compound interest can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, such as buying a house or retiring comfortably. It's the power of compounding that allows your money to multiply without much effort on your part. Let's look at a hypothetical example. If you start investing $200 per month at an 8% annual interest rate, after 30 years, you would have around $300,000. Of that $300,000, only $72,000 would be contributions made by you. The rest is the result of compounding. This shows how compound interest can turn modest savings into a substantial amount over time. To benefit from compound interest, it's essential to be consistent with your investments and let time do its magic. Interest is typically compounded monthly or annually, so the more frequently it's compounded, the faster your money grows. Take advantage of compound interest by opening a savings or investment account that compounds your interest regularly. Make sure to compare different accounts and interest rates to find the one that suits your financial goals the best. By understanding the concept of compound interest, you can make informed decisions about your finances and secure a brighter future. Over time, compound interest can make a significant difference in your financial situation. Like, subscribe and click bell icon to get notified.